I think that we can split the developments in three different groups. One is the changes in the law. We have seen new laws. One is the data protection regulation, which also has not been approved yet. It has been implemented by companies anyway. Second could be all the laws concerning copyright. We have seen changes in the copyright law. Many of the changes are focused on the digital economy. Things like the ability of people providing links to illegal content, for instance, is one of the changes. And then we also have new regulation in connection with electronic signatures, which will be enforceable only in July 2016, but it is also relevant, and many companies are asking questions in relation to this new regulation. We also have seen changes in the new products. We see new products like all the Internet of Things. We see YouTubers. We see cloud computing. We see content aggregators, and this is also new products. We are seeing these changes. And third, we see new risks. In particular, cybersecurity is becoming a very hot topic now, and many companies are concerned about that. So I think that basically there are two areas of big demand. One is data protection. I think I've seen many companies are starting to think on the future framework for data protection that is going to reshape everything. And therefore, they are starting to be prepared to this new regulation, and implementing the new regulation also has not been approved yet. And second is cybersecurity. Again, many companies are very concerned about cybersecurity risks. You see in the newspapers a lot of information on security breaches, and therefore these companies require legal advice in order to be ready to fight against the hackers, or in order to deal with a severe cybersecurity breach. You are starting to see competitors everywhere. This is a threat, but it is also an opportunity, because this means that the market is starting to think on us as a true specialization. And then the second difficulty we have, although it is also an opportunity, are all the changes in the law and the gap between the technology and what the law says, which requires a lot of imagination, sometimes be very innovative in order to be able to apply the laws to new business, like let's see, collaborative economy, with totally new things that the law never has regulated. Basically, you see some signs that the market is starting to believe on us as a true experts on something which is important, and this doesn't happen in the past. And second, we are still see new challenges, new technologies appearing in the market, new things of doing things, and therefore I'm sure that TMT law is something very important, and it is a good time for TMT lawyers, of course.